Wedgetail was founded as a brand of tradesman roof racks in 2020. Had a lot of feedback from the market around the fact that our customers were struggling to relate with the name tradesman roof racks as a recreational user. So it became clear we needed a off-road centric brand. That's where Wedgetail was born. We wanted something quiet and strong, which is why we thought Wedgetail, and we wanted it to be Australian.
So there's been a rebrand, but we carry the tradesman heritage with us. It's where we came from. Given that we've always been manufacturing people, we understand the engineering and manufacturing aspects.
And I think we could claim no one else exactly has that experience.
My father commenced in 1978. He purchased a small engineering company that was a fabricating company. It's had many years trading under the name of Tradesman Roof Racks, and we have a suite of tradesman-based products.
Historically, we started the business 50 odd years ago, very much a welding shop. A lot of our parts would have been brought in as raw bar, and we would punch them, cut them. Very old methods of making the parts.
When I started working here, was pretty old school. You know, there was no computers. We used to write the orders as they comes in, and I think there was only 10 of us, and most of them, they were in production. There was only 2 to 3 guys in sales, maybe. So I've seen the company grow.
As the products evolved over years, we've introduced manufacturing technologies, laser cutting, folding, 3D scanning and testing and engineering.
Which I think is exciting because there's a lot of cool, fun technology that not only makes the production of the product safer for the person doing it, but it makes the product with precision, will bring a higher quality, and it makes the product more affordable.
Family business by nature evolves fast, much faster than a corporate business, because we need to be agile to survive and to be relevant in a very competitive market. Only 20 years ago, we probably only had 15 different products we sold for 15 different vehicles. Today, hundreds.
When I started, Andy used to be on the floor with me. I've learned a lot from him, to being a fabricator, how to do properly things.
I'm proud of Australian business and love to support Aussies. We've supported a lot of students and migrants, and we have quite a multicultural workforce.
The key advantage with Wedgetail Rack being an Australian company is we're adaptable. We focus seriously on design fit for purpose per vehicle. It's not a one-fits-all, so to speak. Every vehicle's taken into consideration.
In my opinion, I think the main difference with Wedgetail, coming from a production-based background, is our speed. If there's a new style of car coming out, within days we'll have a solution for that car. Another advantage is our off-road rating. What we say we can carry on-road, we can carry it off-road as well.
I try and use it as much as one of our typical customers would, because I find that that's where you learn. So I use our product for carrying timber on the weekends, I use it for carrying bikes, I use it for going camping, and that is where the 50 years of experience comes in. Things we saw in 1980, we use today, because we know X or Z won't work, but we also know that we've improved it by a certain margin, and then we need to keep doing that.
I think the industry is definitely changing with electric cars coming along.
So we have to move with that, and we have to get smarter with how we design our racks, because what hasn't changed all that much is our customer. They still go to the same places, they still like to camp on the same tracks, they still have the same road conditions, but the car, the tool they use is completely different. So we have to work to get them the same result.
Our foundation is in load carrying solutions, and that's our focus, and so that can take us down many routes into the future. Transport and logistics is always going to be a thing, so watch this space.